Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility. Check income limits, family type, and property criteria so you don't waste time. Once confirmed, gather core documents: ID, last 3 months' income proof, property agreement, and bank statements. Scan them clearly. Next, create or log into the official Subsidy portal using your Aadhaar-linked mobile for OTP verification. Make sure your contact details match documents. This gets you immediately to the application form and avoids rejections later. You now fill the application step by step, starting with personal info, then property and income details. Accurate entries prevent delays. When uploading documents, choose PDF or JPG, keep file sizes under 2 MB, and name files exactly as listed on screen. Next, select the specific subsidy scheme, input your loan amount, tenure, and lender's details. Double-check numbers. Once done, preview the entire form, correct any mismatches, and digitally sign or authenticate via the prescribed method. This advances your application to processing. You finish by paying any applicable portal fee and submitting the completed application. Immediately note the reference number for tracking. After submission, monitor the portal for status changes and messages. Respond promptly to queries within 7 to 10 days to keep processing moving. If the application is rejected, don't panic. Request the rejection reason, correct the flagged documents or data, and resubmit right away. One troubleshooting tip: if uploads fail, clear cache or try a different browser and re-upload compressed PDFs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.